What's up, guys? It's March the 12th. It's almost 6:30. Sun's trying to come up. Up here at Murder Creek, fishing for crappie and catfish. I've got two rods out in the middle of the creek using worms. The 4-poles here with floats have minnows on them. I came fishing yesterday for 2 hours from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. and caught a bunch of fish. So I'm going to try my luck today and see what we can do. So y'all stay tuned, and hope y'all enjoy this. Missed him. Alright folks, I've done caught 4 or 5 crappie. A couple of them are small, but they're biting really light. They just are making the cork twitch, and or it'll just ease across the top of the water. The bigger ones are hitting them, and we're catching them in the top of the mouth or in the corner of the mouth, which is great. And the smaller ones, because the bite is so light, they're swallowing the hooks. And they wasn't gonna live. So I got them in the basket. Done caught a couple of catfish. Let's see if I can get a bite on camera. Nope. Missed him. That's just how light the bite is. It'll just bounce a little bit on the top, or it'll just slide, or it'll so these two bobbers here, that one right there and that one, are 8 foot deep, and I've got the red bobber about 4 foot deep. I'm catching them on at both depths, so to really tell you exactly how deep they are, it's hard to tell. The bigger ones seem to be, as of right now, it seems the bigger ones are closer to the top, or the smaller ones are closer to the bottom of the creek. But I haven't caught enough to be 100% correct on that. So we're getting a nibble on the middle pole, back there in the back. Yep, it's bouncing. Do we got something? Yep, there's a crappie. Nice crappie. Yep. Got it right in the corner of the mouth. Yes, sir. That's a nice little crappie. If the weather stays like it is, with the nighttime temps staying 50 or higher, in a week or two, this creek will be so full of crappie you could literally put a bare hook in it. I'm getting one. Yep, I had him and he took my minnow. Anyway, like I was saying, the weather temps stays in the 50s. The next week or two, you can come out here and put a bare hook in this creek and catch crappie. So y'all stay tuned. I'll have some more videos for y'all. Alright everybody, it's about 8:15. The bite's kind of slacked off some, which is fine. Missed a big crappie. Don't know if you can see it. I got fin right there by a catfish, and it's really stiff, and I think it nicked a nerve or something. Just caught a small brim, threw it back. I'm getting a bite on this one. Let's see if I can. I missed him. It's kind of hard fishing with one hand. My camera person decided to take the day off, so I mean, the camera person down there fishing. We decided to swap places. So I figured I'd film this by myself using my phone. Hopefully the crappie will get to biting pretty soon. Fish are jumping. A baby turtle actually was floating by the boat a while ago. The turtle was probably the size, a little bit smaller than a quarter, which was pretty cool. I tried to catch him so I could get a video and a picture of him or whatever, but he saw me and went under the water, which is fine. It's a beautiful day. Sun's coming up. So, y'all stay tuned. Alright folks, just caught this little blue catfish. Swallowed the hook. Open up. Already been filmed by him once. Yeah. Stop. First time. Out of the creek here, this is average size. He'll make a nice whole fur catfish. Nice fat, healthy catfish. Alright folks, check this out. Here, let me lay him down. It's a yellow perch. This is actually I know yellow perch get bigger than this, but in this creek, this is the biggest yellow perch I've ever caught out of here. Caught him on a minnow. So, yep. And to me, they have almost like a lemon flavor hint to the meat. So I'm gonna take him home and camera person, you take that. Luckily he was hooked good and he didn't get away. I like how they flatten their head out when you grab them. Come on. Oh yeah. He almost swallowed that hook. Come on. Actually. There we go. Yeah. He's nice yellow perch. He did swallow the hook a little bit, but that's fine. I was going to keep him anyway. Y'all stay tuned. Hopefully I can catch some bigger yellow perch or get some more crappie or something. So y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, the bite has like really slowed down to the point where even this size catfish, and this isn't the biggest channel cat I've caught out of here, but it's close to it. It's a very light bump. They're not hitting it hard. As a matter of fact, the smaller ones that we throw back that were probably last year's spawn, they hit hard. They're biting harder than the big ones. The bigger ones are just. I hooked him good right in the bottom lip. bigger ones. Come on, there you go. They just are making the rod tip move just a little bit. So I like that one. That's a pretty channel cat. Oh yeah. He'll make the grease hot. So y'all stay tuned, and hopefully we get some more. If not, when I get home, I'll finish up the video and show you the total catch that we caught today. And I got fish from yesterday that I got to clean as well today, so I'll do show y'all a little video clip of that. So y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna get back to fishing. Alright guys, it's almost 12 o'clock. The fish quit biting, so I'm gonna go home and clean the fish. So I'm gonna show you what we caught. I'm gonna dump them in there. Alright, after I got them all in there, I got maybe 20 in there. So I'm gonna get them home and lay them out on the table and get a big picture and show all of them. So I'll see y'all then. Alright everybody, I'm back home. The fish you see on the table is from last night. Got a 10-inch crappie, 11-inch crappie, a few 8-inch and 9-inch crappie. The small crappie swallowed the hook. Let me see if I can find one. Speaking of which, this one swallowed the hook. This bass swallowed the hook. So I got a few of these I can fillet. These catfish, a lot of people are like, would say they're too small to keep, but to me, they're the perfect whole frying catfish. And sometimes I'll take them and fillet them, make great catfish chowder. So this is from last night. I'm gonna clean these, and then I'm gonna show the fish that I caught today. So y'all stay tuned, and hope y'all enjoy them. Alright everybody, I forgot to apologize for my central heating and air going. I've got 12 crappie. This is the biggest one. I've got one shell cracker, swallowed the hook. A yellow perch. This is largemouth bass. I wish I could have got him on film. Couldn't find the phone to videotape it. And then I've got these catfish. This is the biggest one. He is 14 inches. So yeah, nice fish. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Comment, rate, subscribe. I will have more coming really soon. Hopefully we can continue to have this nice, beautiful weather so I can get out and do some more fishing.